Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxyluxe for December of 2020. We'll just go right into this, and let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so the theme this month is bubbles and glitz. I don't want to look at the back yet because I don't want to know what's in it, so we'll get right into this. Okay, so this fell out. Let me just go ahead and see what this is. Okay, so it is Luxie, so these must be brushes, and they are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes. Let me go ahead and take one out and feel of it. Okay, very soft. I love Luxy brushes. They're really, really good quality for a really good price. This set retails for, let me go ahead and see. Luxie Glitter and Gold Brush Set is $85. That is so awesome that I got it in this month's box. I love it. It doesn't really have a strong smell. And it feels like leather. This feels actually like real leather. So hopefully it'll last a long time. I love this. Love the color. Really pretty. Excited about that. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. Okay, it looks like another Hipdot palette. I did get one of these a few months ago, but it was more like orange shades. This looks like it would be more blue and green just because the colors inside usually match the outside. Okay. Ooh, so these are really, really pretty colors. As you can see, I'm going to start swatching some. There's a pretty blue. Go ahead and get that brown color because that looks really pretty. Ooh, that's a really pretty transition shade. Let's go ahead and do this green. Ooh, I'm excited about that green. Super pretty. Let me go ahead and do the yellow as well. Really, really pretty. So I remember last time when I was swatching these colors, I didn't really like them a lot. But they're actually quite pretty. Wipe it off. Okay. Next thing that's in the palette is this right here, and this is Iconic London. I did not say how much that retails. The Hipdot palette retails for $30. This right here, which is the Iconic palette, retails for $55. Ooh, look how pretty. So this is a blush and bronzer palette. So let's go ahead and get this bronzer shade, and we'll swatch this right here. Really pretty. This shade right here. Oh, I love that. That reminds me of like NARS. Go with this one because it's really pretty. Ooh, look how pretty that shade is. I cannot wait to use these. These are really, really pretty shades. And like I said, this retails for $55. So far, I am loving this box. Really, really good items. I see something right here. And this is SKU SFSYF. I don't know exactly what. They're just like numbers. Let me see. So this is the Lyfestyle Co. 100% natural calming temple rub. What's more relaxing than lavender? This temple rub, of course. Its super blend oils can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. So, it smells really good. My husband hates the smell of lavender. Go ahead and swatch some right there. But it smells, I love the smell of lavender, so I do not mind. Yes, it smells so stinking good. I'm like rubbing my eyeshadows onto my hand. I cannot wait to try this out. I'm going to try it out before bed so that it'll help me sleep because lavender is supposed to help you sleep. I always bought my kids the lavender shampoo and conditioner, and that retails for $24. Next thing, let's go ahead and take this out because that's done for. Let's have a piece of paper in there as well. Okay, what's this? This is the Kat Von D Danger Tattoo Liner, and this retails for $21. I was just saying today that I wish I had a black eyeliner. So, very black, and it's supposed to be waterproof. I did choose this. This was a choice, so I'm excited about that. I needed a black eyeliner just to kind of make some cat eyes and stuff. And this is the next thing that's in the box. And this is Beauty.Beautyco Teeth Whitening Kit. This was another choice. I did pick this out as well. This retails for what was it? Okay, where are you? So this retails for $89. And I do have some extra pins that I got in another Boxyluxe, but it did not come with the light or the tray. So I am super excited about this because I still have some of those gel pins. So I'll have a lot more teeth whitening ability. My sister actually already got her boxycharm and she tried this and she said it didn't work. But I told her to keep trying it because sometimes I think that something's not working. And then the more I try it, I end up loving it. If that makes any sense. So I just told her, keep trying it. You'll probably end up loving it. Okay, I don't know what this is. Glycolic. What is this? This is Avant Skincare Intense. Okay, so this is a Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. I'm not going to open this up because, yeah, it has the metal thing. And I already have a day moisturizer that I'm using right now. So when I use that one up, I will open this up. And this retails for $123, which is insane. That is so awesome. It is kind of like all nasty looking, the outside of the bottle. I don't know if you can tell, it's super bright. It's like just, looks like somebody threw it on the floor and then kicked it around a ton of times. So it's not really pretty. I don't know what exactly happened there. So I have one more thing, and it is this right here. And it is Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Sunday Riley. So this retails for $85. So this is like a leave-on treatment. So you apply 1 to 2 pumps on clean, dry skin. Can be applied on top. Okay, so this is basically a nighttime cream. So I'm excited about that. I cannot believe that that retails for, how much was it? $85. That's like 2 things that cost $85. I'm going to go ahead and tally all this up, and I'll let you know how much everything was. So the total value of this month's box was $512, which is insane because I spent like $60 for the entire box. And I love that I got some skincare, something that I've never actually tried before, so I'm excited about that. Teeth whitening, and then, I mean, a pretty good amount of makeup, like 3 different things, and brushes. So it's kind of everything all in one. This was an awesome box. I loved it. Like, probably one of my best box this year. Like I said, I will put in the description box down below a link to where you can sign up for Boxycharm. This is a Boxyluxe, so this is only every 3 months you would get a Boxyluxe, and it's a little more than the regular box. The regular standard box is $25 a month, but you have to have that box to get this box. So $25 a month, and then every 3rd month I pay $60, which is nothing considering how big this is. And like I said, $512 worth of stuff for $60. That is awesome. If you haven't already, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But that being said, that completes this video. Bye. God bless.